Yeah, I gotta go.
You say yes?
Yeah. You can take that one, break it, whatever.
Oh, get some. Yeah, baby. All right, you're good. Hell yeah.
Hey, Bo! Yeah, do a little space. Oh my God! Woo! Oh no!
I'm not fighting that up. Oh! Write her down.
Oh fuck, Jared, you all right?
No way. No way. Oh, fuck you. This is scary. Woo! This is scary.
Yeah!
Handlebars!
I was pulling this backwards so
In my truck.
This is awful.
This is horrible. Oh, I didn't even make it.
Oh my God.
Okay, I'll get it.
Did you see that, Yeoman?
Oh, dude, I never saw you. I saw the
Puddle.
bike
Just now here.
go flipping up into the air and then back. Guys, rider! Mini bike coming.
That was better.
Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh god! Oh, buddy, my feet are about to go. That's a good spot to reset right there. Yeah. Downhill. Yeah, Max, get it! Get it!
Something's broken.
Send it!
I think my chain's gone.
No, that's your wheel. That's your wheel.
Oh,
that is
How far am I going?
dude. Something broke. That was the idea. Wherever I stopped, you were supposed to. But that's cool. Oh, watch out!
Yay! Yay!
Hit it! Double city! It's so scary. I came into it. I'm like, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm like, absolutely not.
This guy needs to be handicapped on a fucking 14-inch. Yeah!
You're funny.
This is the best
Yeah.
Olympic system you can have.
The coach could do worse.
Too much grip?
This is the absolute most fun you'll ever have on this trip.
Oh yeah.
Unrelenting grip.
Nice. I was on
Oh,
my
that puddle got me a bit.
yeah. I was full on my front brake there for I don't know how long. Yes, Nukel. Skid.
Hydroplane.
I can't believe how much grip these tires have for being.
So wet. This.
Oh
You look like Krusty the Clown, man.
Oh, I believe it. Oh man, my foot is so. I got it too. I got the whole lower half.
Hit the jump! Woo! Huge!
Yeah. Got like nice grip, got a good break.
I was just like full on the grip. Like,
I'm gonna do grip. That was like fun.
oh, sorry.
You're good. Coming in hot.
Woo!
Coming in hot.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's
Are you out?
too fast. I was worried. I was like, hopefully Davin just did like a full pull because I don't see him anywhere.
Yeah, I did.
Well, because. Oh yeah. No, you were going. I was like, oh, don't crash, don't crash. Nice.
It's mind blowing.
What was that A-line back there? You're not supposed to call.
Nice.
I hear that a lot.
Nice.
Why did they want you up front?
It seems everybody's afraid to turn, so I'm just gonna get up down here.
I just like, I should just put on the chest mount and catch people as
There
they're.
you go.
I did a little tail whip. Fast plant tail whip. Nice little whip.
Oh,
You gotta pile up. You gotta pile up.
Oh my.
3 glasses.
Thanks.
oh, get out of the way. That's pretty good. Yeah, get it.
Okay, so we have to pull that still from the video of her on her nose with the ass in coming around.
I made it though.
Might
Up to the right. Bro, I'm moving. Speed is my friend on this thing. The more speed, the less vibration. Let's go. Burning there?
Oh, he did it.
Ever since I was allowed to go.
Okay, Tom Fisher's gonna. It's nice seeing the people take like little.
Oh, no, now the grips are off.
Have you done it at all?
Nice.
No.
Yeah.
Steve,
Yeah.
pull yours off. I'm sure there's no Think up at it. Yeah.
There
we go. Yeah.
To see more of the kids get involved. Even if we changed our.
Oh, it's this guy.
Like, would you like to like I wonder if we did like, okay, this is gonna be a dry easy FP, and that would be really good.
Hit the alt line up there where Shawnee's at.
That one was definitely.
You
were there when we did that big EFT for like 4 Nike teams, right?
Yeah, that was so much fun.
I would love to do it again.
Yeah.
I would love to do it again.
Saved it.
Just a lot of
Tom, you
fun.
said great job. What are you doing on a big bike, Tom? You run like Potato. Yeah, keep on, Tom. Yeah. Keep on moving, Tom. All the way to the bottom. Send it, you man. Oh my God! Get that bird. Watch out!
Whoa! Who died?
Hey, no way, it's super easy. Oh, he's going with speed. Oh my God. He's going with speed.
Are you guys
Hot. Yes, Please tell me you got that on GoPro. Oh.
Incoming. Yeah, look out. Oh, no, Scott. Scott's in your way. Out of the way. Good job, baby. You just fell good. Yeah, you're clear. All right. It's my job is to point those things out. Oh! That's nice.
Oh boy.
Thanks, fucking
Clear!
Incoming!
Yeah, boy!
This one will work. Oh, good.
Decker's going down double flats. Dude, you're a fucking maniac. Do you see me? You're a fucking maniac, dude. Look, put your fucking tires in the GoPro. Look at that shit.
Yeah, baby. That's how you do it.
Oh, that's fucking nuts.
Oh, shit!
Go, Bo!
Yeah!
Fuck you, this is scary. That's how funny.
I'll go like in the middle. Land on
I'm gonna do mine with a flat earth.
Oh shit. Party train.
Nice!
Good Lord.
Yeah, let's get it. Yeah.